It's a place surrounded by mystery, fear, and conspiracy theories. For decades, ships and planes have reportedly vanished without a trace in a region known as the Bermuda Triangle, a zone that stretches between Florida, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico. But what's the truth behind the legends? Is the Bermuda Triangle really a cursed section of ocean-swallowing vessels whole? Or is the truth far more grounded than we've been led to believe? Today we're diving deep into the myths, facts, and shocking truths behind the world's most infamous stretch of sea, the Bermuda Triangle. The Bermuda Triangle is a loosely defined region in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean. It's shaped roughly like a triangle, with its points located at Miami, Florida, San Juan, Puerto Rico, and the island of Bermuda. It covers around 500,000 square miles of open sea. Over the years, this area has gained a sinister reputation for being the site of unexplained disappearances, entire ships vanishing without distress calls, planes crashing with no wreckage found, and navigational instruments behaving erratically. But where did these stories begin? The Bermuda Triangle legend really took off in the mid-20th century, particularly after a 1945 incident known as Flight 19. 5 U.S. Navy bombers were on a training mission when they suddenly lost contact and vanished. A rescue plane sent after them also disappeared. No debris was ever found. That story caught fire and was quickly followed by others. Merchant ships gone missing, pilots radioing bizarre messages, and compasses spinning out of control. In 1964, a writer named Vincent Gaddis coined the term Bermuda Triangle in an article for Argosy magazine. From there, books, documentaries, and even Hollywood movies turned this patch of ocean into a legend. But how much of this is real? Let's break it down. Myth 1. Ships and planes disappear more frequently here than anywhere else. Truth. According to the U.S. Coast Guard and insurance companies like Lloyd's of London, the Bermuda Triangle does not have a higher rate of disappearances than any other heavily traveled part of the world. The Atlantic Ocean is one of the most trafficked regions on Earth, so naturally, accidents happen. They just happen to make headlines more often when linked to the triangle. Myth 2. Compass malfunctions are common in the triangle. Truth. Compasses can act strangely in certain areas due to magnetic anomalies, but these are well documented and understood. There's nothing particularly unique about the magnetic fields in the triangle. It's simply one of several places where magnetic north and true north align. Myth 3. Weather is not a factor. Truth. Actually, the region is known for violent storms, rogue waves, and fast-changing weather conditions. Some scientists believe that freak waves, up to 100 feet tall, could easily swallow a ship whole. Add hurricanes and powerful Gulf Stream currents, and you've got a recipe for disaster. Some researchers have explored geological and natural explanations for the phenomena. One theory involves methane hydrates, large deposits of gas trapped under the seafloor. If released suddenly, this gas could reduce the water's density, causing ships to lose buoyancy and sink rapidly. Another theory is human error. Many of the accidents blamed on the Bermuda Triangle involved inexperienced pilots or captains, poor planning, or outdated equipment. So when you remove the hype, what's left? The Bermuda Triangle is, at its core, a powerful example of media-driven mystery. Every strange incident gets magnified through the lens of superstition and fear. Books and movies turned it into a goldmine of speculation. Shows like Unsolved Mysteries and Ancient Aliens have only fueled the fire. And let's not forget the entertainment factor. A ship disappearing in calm waters is more gripping if it's framed as supernatural rather than a tragic accident or storm-related loss. People love mysteries. And the Bermuda Triangle delivers a tantalizing one. So, what is the Bermuda Triangle really? It's a heavily traveled, storm-prone, media-sensationalized region where accidents do happen, but no more than anywhere else in the world's oceans. It's not cursed. It's not a portal to another dimension. And it's certainly not haunted by sea monsters or alien spacecraft. Most of the so-called mysteries can be explained by science, weather, and human nature. But the legend? That's harder to kill. Whether you believe the Bermuda Triangle is just a myth or something more, one thing is clear: it captures our imagination like few places on Earth. It's a symbol of the unknown. And in a world where satellites track every inch of the globe, that kind of mystery is rare. So the next time you hear about a missing plane or vanishing ship, remember, sometimes the real explanation isn't otherworldly. It's just the ocean, doing what it's always done. If you enjoyed uncovering the truth behind one of the world's greatest mysteries, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you never miss our next deep dive into the unexplained. Until next time, stay curious.